Hi everyone, Don Genova here with another Foodie Friday for Russell Books. I've got a couple of cookbooks for you this week. Both have a wide variety of recipes in them I'm sure that you'll enjoy. The first one leapt out to me on the shelf just because of the title, Always Add Lemon. It's by chef Danielle Alvarez. She's an Australian-based, US-born chef. I love what she says on the front cover here. My chef's joke that, "Did you add the lemon?" should be inscribed on my tombstone. It is the question I consistently ask as plates leave the kitchen. Sometimes a few drops is all a dish really needs to sing, and I totally agree. The first recipe in here definitely has lemon in it. It's got the grated zest of half a lemon and the juice of that lemon, and it's a spinach with fennel, apple, and pistachio butter salad. And again, if you don't have pistachios, you could use almonds or some other kind of favorite nut that you have. What she likes to use in the kitchen is a mortar and pestle. And just like this big one I have here, made out of lava rock. And for this one, it makes the pistachio butter that goes on top of everything else. This is a delicate salad. It's got thinly sliced apple, thinly sliced fennel, just nicely wilted spinach. It's a great combo. Then you add in some lemon juice and pistachio butter to finish it off. Now the second recipe doesn't actually have lemon in it, but that's okay. It's casarecchi, which is a kind of pasta, kind of like a macaroni style pasta with pesto trapanese. How does pesto trapanese differ from regular Italian basil pesto? It still has the basil, it still has the cheese, it's got the garlic, it's got the olive oil, but instead of pine nuts, it uses almonds, and it has tomatoes added to it. So you're kind of making a raw tomato sauce. Again, you pound it all together in kind of stages in the mortar and pestle. You don't want to go through that. You don't have a mortar and pestle, use a food processor and it will come out just as nicely. Try to keep it to some of that chunky texture though. And for the pasta, any tubular short pasta can be used. Pasta with ridges on it is even better because then the sauce sticks better to the pasta. So that's Always Had Lemon by Danielle Alvarez. Second book, okay, he's back again, Jamie Oliver. This one is called One Simple One Pan Wonders, and I did a couple of recipes from here. The first one is tuna and smoky pepper sauce. I love the combo in here with roasted peppers and smoked almonds. And you can buy smoked almonds almost anywhere with a little bit of salt on them or tamari. They're really great. And everything works to come together with one dish. You're making a base of vegetables with carrots, onions, and some of the roasted peppers that you've got. You can just buy them in a jar. It makes everything easy. Previously frozen tuna steaks, thaw them out. They just get seared in the same pan that you made the vegetables in, and serve it with some focaccia. Everything works. It's a beautiful dish that comes together. You know I love dessert, so I made a rippled Froyo. That's frozen yogurt, and again for this one, just a food processor and a serving dish to put it into. In this case, it calls for mango, lime, ginger snaps, and cocoa. In this case, I did use mango, frozen mango. You can use any kind of frozen fruit, would work in there. The ginger snap cookies just get crumbled, then you put on the top. The lime goes into the original mix. You take some of it out, put it into your serving dish, and then you add some cocoa, buzz it up again, and then you swirl that cocoa yogurt into the previous base that you've got. So it makes for a really nice presentation with a little more fresh or thawed fruit on top of it. So it's easy peasy, as Jamie Oliver likes to say. So Jamie Oliver, One Simple One Pan Wonders, and Always Had Lemon by Danielle Alvarez, available at great prices at Russell Books in downtown Victoria, or just go to russellbooks.com. That's Foodie Friday for this week. I'm Don Genova. We'll see you next time.